multiplier. The question is, if the marginal propensity to save is equal to 0.4 and the change in the investment is 100, we have to find out the value of the change in the consumption and the change in the savings. Okay, now what we are being given, we are being told that the marginal propensity to save is equal to 0.4. okay, we know that multiplier, that's denoted by K, is equal to the change in the income due to the change in the investment, which is in fact equal to 1 divided by MP, marginal propensity to save. Okay, this is the formula. Actually we write it like this, 1 upon 1 minus MPC, but we know that, okay, actually we write the multiplier formula like this. Okay, and we know that MPC plus MPS, they sum up to 1. That means 1 minus MPC, that is 1 minus MPC, is equal to MPS. Okay, so we write it here directly MPS because that's been given. So can we write change in income will be equal to 1 upon marginal propensity to save times transposing this change in investment. That means the change in the income will be equal to 1 divided by 0.4 into the change in the income is being given us as 100. That is, the change in the income will be equal to 0.4 can be written as 4 upon 10. It becomes 10 upon 4 times 100. So this comes out to be 4 ones are 4, 25s are. So we get the change in the income comes out to be 250. But we are supposed to find out the value of the change in the consumption. Okay, so let's write the consumption function first. We know that consumption is equal to C is equal to A plus the marginal propensity to consume times Y. Okay, this is the formula for consumption function. If we take differential on both sides, that is, the change in the consumption will be equal to derivative of a constant is 0. So here we get 0. Derivative of Y will be equal to, okay, if we are taking the differentials here, so we will get MPC times the change in income. Okay, so our change in the consumption will be equal to MPC. So first we need to find out the MPC. Okay, now what will be the MPC? We know that MPC is equal to 1 minus MPS. So MPC will be equal to 1 minus 0.4. so marginal propensity to consume will be equal to 0.6. okay, so we write it here 0.6 times the change in the income which we got here, 250. So we get 6 upon 10 into 250. This gets cancelled. We get 6 5s are 30, 6 2s are 12, 13, 14, 15. So the change in the consumption will be equal to 150. Similarly, we need to find out the savings. Savings function is equal to S is equal to let us say minus B or minus A plus small s times Y. Okay, this is the savings function. Okay, taking differential, that is change in the savings will be equal to marginal propensity to save, because S denotes the marginal propensity to save times the change in the income, which implies, sorry, here we have change in the savings when we are taking the differentials. So we will get here change in savings will be equal to MPS, that is being given us as 0.4 times the change in income we calculated as 250, which becomes 4 upon 10 into 250. So this gets cancelled. We get 100 as the change in the savings. Okay, I hope I make myself clear in this video. Thank you.